This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a TradingView account. First, navigate to the TradingView website. Look for the Join for Free or Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner. You can register using your email, Google, Facebook, or other social accounts. Select the option that works best for you and proceed to the next step. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. After choosing your sign-up method, you'll likely need to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a verification link and click it to activate your account. Next, create a robust password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, personalize your profile by choosing a unique username and uploading a profile picture if you wish. With your account active, it's time to explore TradingView's powerful features. You'll find advanced charting tools, hundreds of indicators, and drawing objects to analyze market trends. Discover various asset classes, from stocks and forks to cryptocurrencies and commodities. Don't forget to engage with the vibrant community, share your ideas, and learn from other traders. There's a wealth of information at your fingertips. To truly maximize your TradingView experience, consider exploring their premium plans, which offer more indicators, layouts, and real-time data. Create custom watch lists to keep a close eye on your preferred stocks, crypto, or other assets. This helps you stay organized and react quickly to market changes. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy while you focus on your trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.